There we go. All right, welcome everybody. Welcome to this presentation. I'm so excited to present to you. My name is Dominique Barbie, and I have been marketing online for about 6 years now. And I'm going to tell you something before I tell you about what this amazing opportunity. I actually learned about this opportunity about over a year ago, and people were trying to get me in it. They actually showed me a presentation close to what you're about to see. And I just didn't understand what they were talking about. So I didn't join. And finally, the person who brought me in broke it down to me in a way that I can understand. If you are not familiar with something called cryptocurrency, I need you to pay very close attention. I found out about cryptocurrency when it was about $500, one coin in particular called Bitcoin. Okay, and it was about $500. It's called Bitcoin. You may or may not know about it. Only 6% of the population right now know about Bitcoin, okay? I just want to ask you a question. If you could go back in time to when the internet was actually created, Microsoft, all those things, would you have invested in Microsoft when, it was very, very low in cost, when it was like, $1 per share? If you can go back in time, type of one if you would have invested in Microsoft, or one of those big, huge companies out there. Just if you go back in time, if you could invest in Facebook, type of one, if you can go back in time when they first created Facebook and they were like, who wants to invest? Yeah, okay, so most people are saying 111, right, exactly. Now, there's a currency called Bitcoin, found out about $500, and this year, people were scamming people like crazy with this and with different opportunities and things like that. And so I ended up investing in an opportunity because they were talking about Bitcoin. I'm thinking I'm investing in Bitcoin, but I didn't even invest in it. I invested with the company. I got scammed this year for over $30,000. And that is because of lack of knowledge. Now, if I would have just simply put my money into the actual coin, the coin is not a scam. You have to be very careful out there because there are companies out here that will, try to scam you. And what I'm about to show you, this is not a scam, but let me explain. I ended up investing in Bitcoin. It was about $900. Finally invested in it, and this guy, he said he was Chinese, and he said every family needs to get at least one. Everybody needs to get at least one because it's going to shoot up the whole. He said the whole world is going to go crazy. Right now, he was saying it was very affordable compared to what it's going to be. People were saying it's going to go to 500,000. He particularly said it would go to 1 million. So all I could remember was that man saying keep at least one coin. So I kept at least one. I got a few of them, and I got scammed throughout the year thinking I was investing my Bitcoin properly when I should have just held it. But anyway, long story short, today that coin is worth over $15,000 per coin. So if you had $1,000 in your bank account, okay, in January of this year, and then you invested, and you had it in your bank account this year, you looked in your bank account, let's see what my $1,000 did in my bank account. It would still be $1,000 right now, okay? Matter of fact, in 3 years, if you left it there, it'd probably be worth $900 because of the depreciating value. Now, if you would have got just one Bitcoin with $1,000, today you would have over $15,000. Oh my gosh, this is the power of understanding investment. Now, what I'm going to show you today, cryptocurrency now is actually a $400 billion market cap today per day. All right, when I last checked. But this, what I'm about to show you, has a 5.3 trillion. I didn't say billion. I said $1 trillion a day market cap. Okay. If you can understand the power of the biggest wealth transfer that is about to happen, I got tired of getting scammed this year. So when my sponsor finally broke this down to me, this is why you have to pay attention. And I hope you got pen and paper, because most people are in the huge percentile of the world, in the United States especially, of not knowing about investing, which speeds up your money. Okay. Let me introduce you to a company called Imarketslive. Okay. It's called Imarketslive. And let me show you the Cashflow Quadrant, okay? Pay very close attention. This is Robert Kiyosaki right here. He's the best-selling author finance, real estate, huge people look to him for investing advice. He's worth millions and millions of dollars, okay? If you don't know who Robert Kiyosaki is, you need to probably go buy Rich Dad Poor Dad book immediately, okay? This cash flow quadrant shows how money works, okay? The first side, the left side, okay, 95% are in this top bracket. This top left side is the employee. These people have to exchange time and effort for an income. If they don't work, they don't get paid. Meaning you find a job and you can only get paid whatever they say you can get paid. That means in the whole year, 365 days, you're limited to the amount of money you make. And over 75% of people don't have $1,000 in their bank accounts because they only understand job mentality. I don't know about you, but when I was little, mostly all I knew about, I didn't know anything about investments. All I knew was go to school, get good grades, get a job, okay? That's all I knew. All I saw my dad do was work, okay? And that's all I knew. That's all I knew around me. That's all I saw in my family. Everybody had jobs. That's it. I didn't have any millionaires in my family. And, you know, I saw people wealthy on the TV screens, but I didn't know how they were doing it. And nobody was teaching me this, okay? So the employee mindset is actually the slowest way to get wealthy. And matter of fact, people who have a regular job, 9 times out of 10, 9.9 times out of 10 actually never ever get wealthy, and they don't understand why. And I'm going to show you why. Now, the next part, 5% of people are self-employed. They work for themselves, but they make money. They have no time. They have usually they have a special skill. And for example, a doctor who makes their own practice, and he has to be there. He has to do all these clients, so he never has time to spend with his family. He doesn't have time, okay? So he has more money. He's self-employed. He's great at his skills, but he's in the 5% right there, but he doesn't have enough time, okay? That's a little bit better. But the left side of the quadrant is the slower ways to get wealthy. And the employee side, you'll probably never, ever get wealthy. Now, the business owner on the right side, these people are business owners. They have systems working for them and build assets. They have systems working for them and they build assets. Usually they build up something really, really well, and then it pays them for a lifetime. For example, a franchise in McDonald's, people have to pay at least $1 million plus to get a franchise. The KFC, McDonald's, Burger King, these franchises cost a lot of money, but somebody took the time, took the blood, sweat, and tears to build this system. Now they have people pay them to get their system. Also, Robert Kiyosaki, he has also endorsed home-based business, where you build up a team of an organization where you leverage that. After you work and you develop yourself, you're able to do that, okay? That is the next bracket. 4% are in that bracket, and 95% on this right side. Now, let me explain to you the investor side. Does anybody know who Solomon is? Does Solomon ring a bell to you? Does anybody know who Solomon is? He's actually the richest, the most wealthiest man in history. Type of 2 if you know who Solomon is. If you don't know who that is, I'm assuming that you might be slightly heathenish. Yes. Okay. Can y'all hear me? Okay, good. All right, y'all know who Solomon is, the wealthiest man in history. Okay, he's actually in the Bible. Okay, and so investors, they have money working for them and unlimited income potential. That's the people who have the assets that's growing for them. Maybe they have stocks, maybe they have gold, precious metal, real estate. They have assets that's working for them. Okay. That is the investor. You want to get on the investor. That's actually the fastest way to wealth. Now, what is Forex? This is the part that confused me when I first saw this presentation. How I'm explaining it, they really didn't explain it all the way like this, but I'm going to explain it to you in a way that you can understand. Forex, okay, is the largest financial market in the world. When you put your money in the bank, they have experts literally taking your money and making more money using Forex. That's one of the ways, okay? Now, it's basically when you trade one currency for another. Basically, that's, for example, I actually explained this to my 8-year-old daughter, and she understood it when I broke it down to her like this. I said, what if you go to your aunt's You're going on a trip to Europe to your ex, and I give you $10,000. But when you go to get closer, you realize that you can't use US dollars. You need euros, okay? They use euros. They don't use American dollars. So you go there and you have $10,000. So you go to the exchange and they're going to tell you the rate for the day that you have to trade your money in, and then they're going to give you the equivalent in euros, okay? Maybe it'd be like 1.2 or 1.8, whatever it is. It changes depending on the demand, okay? You give them 10,000 USD, you get 9,000 euros back, okay? You get 9,000 euros back. That is the equivalent, okay, depending on the rate. I'm just giving you an example. Then you go to your aunt and she says, hey, you don't have to spend any money. I got you, okay? You don't have to spend anything. So you put your money in your pocket and you're like, ooh, thank you, auntie. Cool, cool. So it's time for you to come back a week later, and you come, right? And you say, okay, I need to switch my money back since I'm coming back to the United States. I got 9,000 euros. And they say, oh, here you go. Now your 9,000 euros is worth, instead of $10,000, your $9,000 is worth $12,000. You just made $2,000 on the trip. You get what I'm saying? But she said, so my daughter, she's smart. She's 8 years old. She said, but if you're doing Forex, Mom, you got to go all the way to Europe to make $2,000? I said, no, honey. They made it easy for us. Now they actually have brokers which allow you to trade with the click of a button. Okay, so when you educate yourself on Forex, there's different currencies like Canadian dollars, New Zealand dollars. When you buy and sell them at the right time, you can make money. People are changing literally 10 cents into $10, $1 into $20, $10 into, actually one of the people on our team turned $10 into $100,000 in 9 months, and now she makes 7 figures with Forex. Okay, so you really need to pay attention, because if you learn this skill, it will pay you for a lifetime. Take this up. Sorry, my son just came in. So this is 24 hours, 5 days a week. You can literally trade money. Okay, it's a $5.3 trillion a day industry. Close the door. Sorry. It's a $5.3 trillion a day industry. The stock market is actually about $22 billion. So this is the largest financial market in the world, okay? So you can trade literally on your smartphone. You see how people are using their smartphones every day? They can be making profits, okay? Now, what is Imarketslive? What is this company that I'm introducing you have to do with anything? First off, it's first-class Forex education. In order to do this, of course, you have to learn how to do it. Okay, this company was actually founded in, July 4, 2013. So it's been around for a few years, operating in over 120 countries, debt-free and privately owned, and it has amazing services. And here are some of the leadership here. Chris Terry, he's made millions and millions and millions of dollars trading, and he had the heart to teach people, because when you're making 50 million plus or whatever the amount is, you don't have to talk to anybody. You don't have to help anybody. There are so many people struggling right now, okay? And they have no idea what Forex is. They have no idea that they can get this knowledge. All they know is they can go to college and, go for 4 years and hopefully find a job. I've seen people go to college for years and end up not even liking the skill that they learned, okay? He had the heart to actually teach people this, okay? Isis Delatorre, she's a chief financial officer. She's handled millions and millions of dollars. She's in charge of the pay and all that stuff. Alice Morton, he's very young. He's the executive vice president. He's an 8-figure earner. Yvonne Tapia is the vice president of sales. He's absolutely amazing. We have amazing leadership here. And what makes this unique? Okay, what makes it unique? Basically, the results on our services are not guaranteed. And we make no promises besides to bring the best value on the table day in and day out. That means, listen, if anybody tell you that you can get a guarantee, if you give me your money and I guarantee you I'm going to do something with it, you need to run. Okay? We don't handle any of anybody's money. Any money that you put in is all into like a broker. When you put your money in, if you're trading, it's going to be with a broker that's regulated by the governments, the proper governments in each country. Okay, so the country, like I was saying, I was getting scammed all year. That was because I was getting scammed by those crazy people. Okay, Imarketslive does not trade your money. We don't handle your investments or anything like that. We show you how to do it yourself, okay? So it's impossible for us to try to scam you if we're not even handling the money that you're investing on any trades, okay? Imarketslive does not earn on your trades. They don't earn money. When you trade, that's your money, okay? You can enter and exit your trades at any time, and our objective is to empower, enrich, and educate over 1 million customers, okay, around the world. Now, this is the beauty of it. Oh my gosh. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I came into this, I had no idea about Forex. All I know was people was changing, turning dollars into hundreds and all this stuff. I had no idea, so I was very intimidated because I didn't know. You know, I've been doing cryptocurrency. I know about cryptocurrency and all that good stuff, but I didn't know about Forex. So you know, when you get into a new field, you're kind of nervous. But me, I'm a go-getter. I'm about my coins. I have a family that I have to take care of. I have been broke. I have been, you know, in the worst times of my life where I didn't have a couch. I didn't have a microwave. I had to call my father all the time to borrow money. In that case, and this year, I took my account. It was negative $500, literally negative $500, and I've made multiple six figures in the industry. So this company was a no-brainer, okay? So I started this company in particular. At the time you're watching this, it has not even been a month, but the training in the IML Academy has taught me so much about the history of our money and the history of Forex. And it's just so much that people don't know that's causing them to be in destruction. My people perish for lack of knowledge. And I don't know if you've heard that verse, but it's one of the realest verses I ever heard, okay? The IML Academy walks you step by step by the hand with 60 plus videos, multiple languages, basic to advanced, learn from expert traders, okay? This is the academy that the lady who turned $10 into $100,000 used. She was dedicated. She took months to learn, okay? Of course, this is a real skill, so I don't want you to come here and think of this as a get-rich-quick scheme, but let me tell you something. The knowledge here is worth more than one year in this academy is worth more than 4 to 8 years of college. Okay, I'll tell you that much. If you apply yourself and you're actually here to learn, we're looking for people who are willing to learn. And we also have a bonus on our team that you cannot get anywhere else. If you have a pen and paper, you might want to write this down. Do you want to double your money every month? Okay? Do you want to double your money every month? What if I told you that the trader who took $10 account to $100,000 in 9 months, what if you could copy her trades? What if you can take your computer and hook it up to a server and literally mirror her trades hands off? You set it up once and forget it, and every trade that she does happens on your account. That means if you took an account from a $250 account in 12 months, you will have $1 million. Now, this is only specific to our team. So if you have heard about this company from anybody else, the advantage on our team, you get to copy the trades, because a lot of people who come into this company, that's why I was nervous at first when people were trying to tell me about this. I was like, okay, I don't know, I don't know if I know how to do this. I was nervous, but when I found out that we had an expert trader who would actually trade our accounts on our team specifically, now the company has a trader too, but it's not doubling people's money every month. So when I found that out, I was like, wow, I don't feel pressured to try to hurry up and learn, because this skill takes a time. So if you're going to do this, don't just come here thinking you're just going to learn for 30 days, learn for 60 days, learn for 90 days, and you just bust out of nowhere and you're an expert. It doesn't work like that. It's a real skill. And like I said, 1 year in this academy is worth more than 4 to 8 years of college. You can get paid doctor money. Okay, this academy is the bomb. Now, Imarketslive TV, this is amazing. Like I said, when people first was telling me about that, I was like, and they didn't have all this stuff. They didn't have IML TV. They didn't have all of those videos in the academy, okay? So this TV is over 75 hours of education per week. Like when you come in and you're trying to learn, and some people need hands-on people. Like some people need to ask questions. Some people don't know how to learn by themselves, okay? You know what I mean? You can literally, instead of watching your regular TV, instead of watching Empire, instead of watching whatever you're watching, you can literally come here and learn and ask questions and do what they do and mimic what they do, okay? 75 hours a week. I'm telling you, that's the most powerful thing. Where else can you go where you don't have to sell lotions, you don't have to sell potions, you don't have to do none of that. The product is helping you multiply your money. Where do they do that at? Okay, multiple languages, many trading sessions, at different times throughout the day. Literally, it's something called London session, New York session. You probably don't know what I mean, but like I said, I've been in only a month, and I found out like there's different sessions. I found out how the example that I gave my daughter to, I was able to explain that to her when I didn't know anything about it at first. She was like, whoa, I can make $2,000 just from going to Europe. She literally understands the concept of buying and sell. She don't know how to trade yet, but I'm telling you, if she did this academy with me and took notes, my daughter is so smart that she can learn too. So I know a grown individual don't have any excuse. So many trading sessions, different times, IML TV recordings. If you missed the TV show, you can come back. I actually, in my first month, I was able to do the Forex 101. If you can see right here, Adeze Duncan, she does Forex 101, and Forex Basics, Christopher Derrick, and it's another new person who came on who has another Forex. So when you're first starting, you can watch all their TV shows, and they'll walk you through. So anybody who feels intimidated, understand, just pace yourself. This takes patience. I know some people don't have patience, but if you can be patient and take the time to learn, this skill will pay you for life. Now, the Harmonic Scanner. Remember I told you about that lady who turned that $10 into $100,000 and makes 7 figures now trading? Okay, she uses this Harmonic Scanner. It actually scans the market for the best trades. If you don't know what Forex is and you're like, trades, what is that? You're going to learn, and this is going to be your favorite tool. Trust me. She told me some of her secrets, and I was just like, ooh, oh my goodness. And the team that we have is just so amazing. Sometimes it's just about timing. Literally, you can literally join a whole different team and struggle, and then join our team and just be in an environment where all these people are ranking up, people are learning, people are on our auto trader, they're excited, we're in the chat, they're like, oh my gosh, I made $50, oh my gosh, I made $100, I made $10. I can't believe it. You know what I mean? So you're provided all the info, privately owned software, high accuracy predictions. This is part of the actual company. And you can learn how to use this. This chart right here might look like a different language to you, but it shows you literally how to speak the language of money. So the web analyzer, this is brand new baby right here. This Harmonic Scanner actually, right here, they actually did over 900 trades, and it was right for over 800 times. That means money, 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 money. Okay, so this web analyzer is even better. It's even more accurate than the Harmonic Scanner. It's a custom platform. You receive super precise trade setups combined with your trading strategies, funds trade entries for you. And the reason I love this company is this: 97% of people fail online. And it's mostly because a lot of people don't know how to recruit. A lot of people don't understand the mindset of different companies. If they're going into a company, they don't understand the mindset that you need to be successful. Most people are not business people. Most people are not entrepreneurs. They may want to be, but they will join a business and not treat it like a real business. I'm just being honest. 97% fail. And that's not because the industry doesn't work. It's because if it's the people making millions of dollars in a company, it works. It's the people who don't understand the development that you have to go through. Because myself, I was in the industry for 2.5. I've been in 6 years. My first 2.5 years, I struggled. I failed. I bumped my head. I got knocked down. I joined people who didn't want to help me. I joined people who didn't have any training for me. Sometimes I joined people who did have training, but my mindset was so jacked up, and I wasn't prepared for all of this rejection. Family members rejected me. Nobody really believed in me. Like, I didn't have anybody to believe in me. So I had to stand up and believe in myself. I'm just asking you to believe in yourself for once. That's my message to people. Believe in yourself, because I didn't have nobody to believe in me. Yeah, my dad believed in me. You know, my brother probably believed in me. I literally called my brother. and I called him. I said, LJ, I'm going to be a millionaire. My brother laughed at me. My baby brother, okay, he's 4 years younger than me. He laughed on the phone. I felt so shot down. I don't even know why I was so shot down, because he was laughing at me. And I was just like, wow, like, dang. I thought I was going to call him. He was going to say, yes, let's go. No, he was like, huh? He told me to shut the heck up. That's what he told me. This is how he talked. I'm actually from the streets. This is how he said it to me. And he started laughing. I said, why would you say that to me? I said, that's not funny. And he was like, I'm just playing, sis. He was like, I'm just playing. or whatever, because he's very sarcastic. I love my brother dearly. We're like that or whatever. But when he laughed at me, I could tell that he believed in me, but I could tell like nobody is a millionaire in my family. So he's just like, okay, whatever, sis. Yeah. He's like, no, I'm just kidding. You can do it. I know you know. So I hung up the phone with him. I was like, and I was like, I'm gonna show him. I said, I'm gonna show him. And unfortunately, my brother passed from a sudden asthma attack randomly, and he wasn't able to see me reach multiple six figures. He never was able to see me do that. And now I'm going after seven figures so I can fulfill what I told him that I was going to do. So at the end of the day, you have to believe in yourself no matter what people say. I was making $0, negative 500 in my bank account, and it was able to make multiple six figures in this industry. In this company, it has a better compensation plan than anything I've ever done. And I can look people in the eye and say, you can win. Because to be honest with you, people make more money when they are in this company for a long duration of time and they learn how to trade than the people who are actually marketing the business. This is why leaders come in from worldwide, because they know they've been in different companies and their people can't sell. They people can't do it. They're trying to teach them, get your mindset right. They're trying to teach them promote on Facebook. They're trying to teach them to do this. But some people literally, it's just that it's just going to take them time. So this company, it's people making more with Forex than they are with the business, but people are blowing the business out the water, and I'm going to get to that. The daily swing trades is from the man himself, Christopher Terry. He gives weekly forecasts, major pairs analyzed, learn new techniques. I've seen people who actually made six figures in Forex before they joined this company. I'm sorry, about, probably, less than six figures. They came and they connected the dots because of this company. FS Signal Live, this is an auto trader that the company has. It's more slower. It's better. Your 401k doesn't even get 2 to 10% per month. Okay, it's hands-free. Risk management built in. You just set it, forget it. And the Fusion Trader is more aggressive. You can customize and do what you like with it. It's also an auto trader as well. And of course, we have our own team auto trader that you cannot get anywhere else that doubles your money every month. Now, swipe trades, okay, we live in a world that thrives on the convenience that people have a strong need for what swipe trades is offering. Most people are on their phones. You can literally be at work and receive a trade. My upline actually received a trade the other day, and he made $100 off the trade. It's copy paste. They tell you, look, copy this, copy that, upload this on your phone, boom, click, boom. We tell you when to get out. Money. All right. Training and support. IMLtrain.com shows you all of the services, all of how to use everything. IML corporate app, it has an app for everything. They have just so much for people to learn. If anything, nobody can come onto our team and say they don't know what to do. If anything, people if people are not prepared, the biggest problem that people may have is just a lot to learn, okay? 7-figure mentorship, 7-figure earners literally come on every week and tell you the mindset that they have to win, to really, really win. All you have to do is plug in. All right, now how can you actually get started? Claim your financial independence, okay? The Platinum Package. It includes IML Academy, IML TV, the Harmonic Scanner, daily swing trades, all that good stuff that we were talking about earlier. To learn Forex, you probably have to pay at least $50,000. I've seen people pay $50,000 for a weekend. I've seen people pay $5,000. I've seen people pay all types of different amounts. So what they did, instead of, this is usually $425 a month, but right now they're allowing people to get in for $195 one time and $145 a month. That is powerful, okay? Like I said, college, how long does it take to do college? How much does it cost for college? It costs people $50,000, $20,000, $100,000, okay? And to learn a skill that can pay you more than a college degree, just for being in for a year, oh my goodness. It's crazy. So additional add-ons, you can get the swipe trades apps with the alerts, the Fusion Trader, web analyzer, and the FX Signals Live for an extra small fee, okay? But what if you can get it for free? What if you didn't have to pay $145 a month, okay? If you share this with only 2 people who want to change their lives, who you like, trust, and respect, who think they can get value from what we provide. Instead of paying that $145 a month, you don't pay nothing at all. Okay, customers have a special referral link, not like a IBO. All you have to do is refer 2 paying customers. No restrictions. Your subscription bundle is waived no matter what package your referrals purchase. Yes. You can get 2 and free. That's a lot of people who come in, and some don't want to do the business. Some just want to learn. Okay, they do the 2 and free, so they don't have to worry about any monthly fee. And then they'll throw $250 in the auto trader. Now, our special auto trader on our team, you need $250 to put inside of a broker account. That $250 is always yours. So it's really like it's $195, and you have like your money that you would have had in your bank account. You put it in that broker account instead, and it's going to double every month. Okay, so like I said, a $250 account can possibly go to $1 million. Okay. Now, if anybody who is interested in the business side, if you can kind of see the guy in the background, David Inman, he's an industry leader, eight-figure earner. He actually just hit Chairman 250, $250,000 a month, okay, in the industry, in this business. Wow, that's crazy. Oh my goodness, crazy. Now, how does it work? Every platinum package you sell, that $195 package, if it's on your level 1, you get $35. Level 2, $10 if you're a platinum 600, and level 3 if you're a platinum 1000, you get $5. Now you may say, that's not really that much, but guess what? Okay, remember you're learning how to trade. You can take a percentage of that money and put it into your trading account while you learn. Like I said, $35 turning into $1,000. That's not little anymore. Okay, $10 turning to $100,000. That's not little anymore. Okay. Now, residual income. Everybody needs residual income. Now, for Platinum 150, which is all you have to do is personally refer 3 customers in your organization. And we show you how to do that. Okay. We show you how to do all of these things. We show you how to expose people. We show you how to get leads in a way that is not really overwhelming. Okay. That's $150 a month, $37.50 a week. Now, some of you may say, oh, $150 not a lot of money. Oh, yes, it is when you learn how to trade. When you learn how to flip that, you can take literally 25% of, you can take that $37.50 for the week and keep on flipping it. Okay. Now, Platinum 600, people, they did a statistic and they said people were $500 away from going bankrupt. $500 a month per month from going bankrupt. Okay, from losing their cars. If they could have made an extra $500 a month, that's $7,200 bonus, which a lot of people on our team actually just hit this bonus. They said that these people could have been cured or alleviated from going bankrupt and losing their mortgage, losing their home, all kinds of things. That's good money. And what if you make $600 and you simply teach other people to do what you did? All you need is 12 customers in your organization. And the cool part is, everything that the leaders above you do, they can put people under you to count. If you refer 3 people and your upline puts 12, 11, 10, 9 people under you, you hit Platinum 600. And that actually just happened to one of the people on our team who just won Platinum 600. We were putting people under them. The people who started in my organization, the first 3 people, all of them are 1 level under me, okay? The first 3 people, because they took the best position. So if you're on this call and somebody invited you, you need to be in their top 3. If you possibly can, ask them how many people they got. If you could be in the top 3, or tell them to put you in a top position. But the cool part is, this is a brand new team in the company. So we're going to be ready to put 100 to 500 plus people in the next 90 days. Actually, probably 1,000 people. I'm not even over exaggerating. And some of those people can count towards your ring. If you take the time to go through our special training and get your 3 people and maintain 3 customers, we can literally boost you up. 12 people is all you need for $600 a month while you learn, while you have your 250 growing into $1 million in an auto trader. I hope y'all paying attention. I really hope y'all paying attention, because this is an opportunity of a lifetime. Now, Platinum 1000, that's $1,000 a month. That's good money. $1,000 a month. You can put some good money in your trading account. You can pay some bills. Some of y'all rent costs $1,000. That's good. That all you need is 30 customers. And all you have to do is get 3 of them. 3 of them, all right? Now, the leaders, the bosses, of course, they're going to try to do more so they can help their team. We got leaders in our organization, me, the people under me, and everybody, all of us, we made an accountability group so we can help everybody in their downline, everybody in my downline, to boost them up. That's why if you look on my page, if you look on a lot of the people on our page, a lot of people in the company are like, who is this team? How are they getting all these platinum 600s, platinum 150s, platinum 1000? What are they doing? They're coming to me like, what are y'all doing? Can I get access to your auto trader? Can I please use your stuff? Like, please. I've had people who've been in for years come to us like, can we please just use your stuff? And I'm like, well, I mean, what's going to set you apart from everybody else? So anyway, 30 customers, and all you have to do is get 3 of them, and we can help you get the rest. Now, you want to help us help you. The more people you get, the bigger rank we can help you get. And that's the next group of ranks, which is Platinum 2000, which is 75 people. Like I said, we're ready to bring in a boatload of people. And you can be part of the leadership that helps everybody do this. Or you can be one of the people who just get your 3 people and say, hey, can somebody help me get my rest of my people so I can get to $2,000 a month? Platinum 5,000 is a team of 225. That's simply 3 who get 3 who get 3 who get 3 who get 3. Everybody knows 3 people who want to multiply their money. Okay, and if they don't understand that, they probably are not the best friend for you because they probably are going to keep you broke. Okay, so Chairman 10, this is the beautiful, when you get this rank, you're going to be on 100. Okay, this is 500 people in your organization. And yes, what if we put 300 of them under you? That's crazy. This is what our team is trying to do. We're trying to boost everybody up, and we're looking for leaders and people who want to help us help everybody. Me, I personally brought in about 40 plus people in the past couple of weeks. Personally, myself, okay? And that was just me not even going turbo mode. We're about to go turbo mode. I just wanted to calm down for a little bit so I can help all my people get in. So if you're on this call, you are one of those people who I'm trying to hurry up and let you get in before I go take over my city, before I go bring in thousands of people, okay? Now, Chairman 25 is 1,250 people. Chairman 50, 2,500. Chairman 1,000, 5,000. Chairman 250 is actually what the last person just hit, $250,000 a month. Okay, woohoo! $62,500 a week. Oh my gosh. Chairman 500 is $500,000 a month. They're actually going to make another rank called Chairman 1,000 is $1 million a month. And as people grow in rank, they are willing to open up more ranks. Okay. Rank bonuses is just more money on top of more money. Of course, when you start getting breaking these ranks, they're just going to just throw more money at you, okay? And we actually have an event in Las Vegas where they're giving away a car. If you hit any of these ranks, they're going to give you points towards a drawing for a new car. And anybody who hits Platinum 5,000 and above, they're giving away 2 cars, okay? And you just got to make it to Vegas. We have an event. If you're on the team, you definitely need to go get a ticket, invite guests, all that good stuff. And like I said, what you get prestigious leadership, world-class products and education, dynamic platform for any situation, time, money, or experience, friendly and supportive culture, committed to your success, unmatched passion and vision. Let your money work for you. So like I said, you need to get back with the person who invited you so they can take you on a ride for your life. Does anybody have any questions while you're on here, while we're live? Yeah, Jacqueline says spillover is crazy. Yes, building fast. Yep. Building skills. Yep. And he said, I want to show her. Yeah, thank you. Anybody else have any questions? All right. All right, who do we have on the line? We're gonna go with a couple of people who've been having great success in the company with us on our team, and we're gonna let them talk for a second. Says come on board. Estella says come on board. Delisa said what spill? Oh, Delisa said what spillover is basically, for example, if you brought in 3 people, okay, and then I saw you in my organization, I'm like, hey, you only need 12 people to go Platinum 600. what I'm gonna do, the next people who come in, I can literally go in my back office and say, boom, boom, boom. Let me put them under her so she can go Platinum 600 and get a pay raise of $7,200 a year. Okay, that's called spillover. Extra people in the organization. So, for example, if it's me up there, I can put people under you. If I got somebody above you who I know in my downline, I can say, hey, let's help, let's double team Jaleesa and help put some people under her so she can go to the next rank. That's what we've been doing on our team, and people have been breaking ranks like crazy, and people can't understand why we're growing so fast. That's pretty much one of the reasons we're growing so fast. What does equity mean on chart? Help is on the way. He said help is on the way. Yep. All right, Dale, are you on the line? Can you hear me? Get on the line. Give us a testimony.
Can you hear me?
Yes. How are you?
Hey, I'm doing good. What's going on, people?
Big thing. Big thing.
Look, this company is fantastic, and the reason why I say that it's fantastic is because I'm learning how to do something that I've never done before. I didn't even have an interest in Forex trading until I saw the potential and I saw what I was missing out on. And I'm like, what was I doing all this time? I wasted so much time doing other things. And sometimes when we don't grow, we perish. We need to learn how to do other things. So Forex trading on a market like this where the money is fantastic. And then you got an auto trader doing it for you as you learn. So you don't know what you're doing. You don't have to do anything. Just let the auto trader do it as you learn. And lives are being changed in front of our eyes. My life is changing right now. And I'm telling y'all, I'm going to Chairman 10. I'm going to Vegas. I'm going to be on that private jet. And my kids are going to be set for life. I'm going to tell my wife she can quit her job. Y'all watch what I tell y'all. Just give me a little time. I'm going to do it. I'm excited about this. And if you're on this call right now, on this Zoom, you need to get in right now. Don't wait. Don't worry about what nobody else says. If you see value like I do, get in and let's go.
Yes. Thank you, Dale. Thank you so much. I'm so proud of you. You're doing amazing. We're working our way to the top, and it's just so exciting to see people grow and get better and be better. And we work on a lot of mindset stuff, so people are changing. And the thing is, like, we have a heart to do these things because we don't have to take time to show people this information. We can literally just rely on the traders, rely on just learning ourselves and not care about helping other people. But we made a decision to make an impact and catch on to the vision of the company and impact 1 million customers by 2020. That's what we caught on to, and that's what we're going to do. Jacqueline, are you on the line? Can you say a few words to help people understand what's going on with the team and how exciting it is?
Right. Hey, everybody. I just have to say congratulations, first of all, to our team, because I'm just sitting back watching, and I'm just seeing all these people coming in. They are excited. They're seeing, especially the ones that just got connected to the auto trader. They are so excited about that. I mean, we're literally building faster than ever. I'm like, OMG. I'm over here too excited. But you guys just don't understand how amazing this is. And I love it because, like I said, learning how to trade yourself, like you said, it's a skill. And if you don't know how, then this is the place that you need to be so you can learn how to do it. Because once you I'm telling you guys, the IML Academy is on point. You're gonna sit down, you're gonna be learning so much in a little period of time. You're gonna be like, I can't believe I learned that fast, because that's how easy she breaks it down. And I love it. And I hope you guys are paying attention, the ones that's on this call that's not even a part of IML, that y'all take advantage of this and get on board, especially with our team, because we are a winning team and we are building fast. Like she said, with spillover is crazy. You can just wake up and see people in your downline and you'll be like, where they come from? Because that's how many people that's coming in. So y'all take advantage of this, check it out, and let's get started.
Yes. Definitely want to see you in Vegas. We're gonna have Oh, yes. Hello? Oh, I thought somebody said hello. I'm like, wait. But yes, definitely we excited to do this. I want to see everybody in Vegas, and I'm ready to win that car. I'm ready to learn this amazing things. Like I said, I started from scratch. I didn't know nothing about trading. I'm learning so much just from the training that they have. I'm going to be plugging into the IML TV. I love the auto trading. We all just wake up to money, and it's just amazing. It's just a blessing. Vegas is March 16th. March 16th in Vegas. It's going to be a ball. Anybody have any more questions before we get off here? I had this recording. I had this recording. I'm trying to see. Yeah, I had this recording, so people, you can get the recording after this. But yeah, I will see you guys next time. And everybody have
Hello?
Yes. Who said hello?
Yeah, hello? Hello?
Yes.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Who's this?
Okay, this is Bashar.
Okay, yes. Did you have a question?
Not really. Actually, I want to say one or two things about how IML, what I really, see that is very different about IML. I ain't new to Forex trading, but I think IML is kind of different from other companies I've been coming across with, So I think it's very special to be part of this platform. And I'm really, really, really grateful to be here. And I'm here to win as well. So let's keep winning together.
Yes, let's do it. I'm so happy that I'm glad you're just like, I love seeing people happy. I love seeing people, make changes in their lives. We're going to do great things. So, yes. All right. Nobody has any questions, I will see you guys later. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.